Struggling to find the right cookware for your gas stove? You want something that heats evenly and holds up over time. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Astracook Non-Stick RV Pots and Pan Set. We have the Astracook Non-Stick RV Pots and Pan Set, which is currently priced at $59.99. What caught my attention was the unique detachable handle feature, which really helps with storage and versatility. If you want a flexible cookware option that adapts to your needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The premium non-stick coating ensures durability and performance, and it's PFOA-free, which means you can cook without harmful chemicals. This set includes 21 pieces, covering everything from frying pans to saucepans. With over 8,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving this set. Also, the aluminum construction means it heats evenly, so you won't have those annoying hot spots that ruin your meals. Now, some people complained about the removable handle feeling a bit flimsy during use. Here's the thing though. As long as you secure it properly, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just keep in mind that if you're someone who cooks heavy meals often, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you have limited kitchen space and want an eco-friendly option. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty for serious cooking. Now, if the removable handle made you hesitant, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach with a more traditional design. Product number 2. Karate Non-Stick Pots and Pan Set. Let's talk about the Karate Non-Stick Pots and Pan Set, which retails for $89.99. The titanium non-stick coating immediately caught my eye because it promises exceptional durability and easy food release. If you want hassle-free cooking and cleanup, this set is definitely worth considering. The reinforced die-cast aluminum material distributes heat evenly, so no more worrying about hot spots ruining your dishes. Plus, the silicone-sealed glass lids keep moisture locked in while allowing you to monitor your food without lifting the lid often. It's no wonder that over 5,000 of these sets have flown off the shelves in just a month. Some users did mention that they found it tricky to clean due to a tendency for residue buildup. But here's the thing. If you follow the hand-washing instructions and use a gentle dish soap, it shouldn't be an issue. So if you're okay with a little extra care, it's a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and stylish set that delivers consistent results. Skip this if you need a low-maintenance option that can just be tossed in the dishwasher. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value versatility. Product number 3. Astracook Titanium Induction Kitchen Cookware Set. Our third option is the Astracook Titanium Induction Kitchen Cookware Set, priced at $79.99. What stood out to me was the titanium non-stick coating, which really makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. If you want a healthy and efficient cooking experience, this is definitely worth a serious look. The set includes 19 pieces, so you'll have everything you need for cooking a variety of meals. The heat-resistant handles are ergonomically designed, making them comfortable to hold even when cooking at high temperatures. Plus, it's compatible with gas and induction stoves, ensuring you get the best results no matter your cooking setup. With around 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many are finding this set useful. On the downside, some users mentioned the handles can feel a bit slippery when wet. But here's the thing, as long as you ensure your hands are dry when using them, it shouldn't be a problem. They offer a great grip once you get used to them. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a set that performs well across multiple cooking surfaces. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward, no-frills approach to cookware. Now, if you're worried about the handle grip, the next product on our list has a unique feature that you'll love. Product number 4. The Carote 19 Pieces Pots and Pans Set, which also retails for $59.99. This set caught my attention due to its detachable handle feature, which allows for optimal storage and convenience. If you want to save space in your kitchen without compromising on functionality,
you need to consider this. The non-stick ability means you can scrub less, making cleanup a breeze, and the aluminum material helps with even heat distribution. This set has a variety of pieces, making it suitable for everything from frying eggs to boiling pasta. With about 4,000 sold recently, it's clear that many are finding it effective for their cooking needs. However, some users have reported that the removable handle can sometimes come loose during cooking. But here's the thing, it's designed for a secure fit, and if you're mindful while cooking, it's not a major concern. Just ensure you're attaching it correctly and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you have limited kitchen space and want something versatile. Skip this if you're looking for a traditional pot and pan experience without detachable parts. Alright, that was a great option, but the next one on my list is a bigger set that might have everything you need. Product number 5, Cookware 26 PCS Pots and Pans Set, which is priced at $139.99. What I love about this set is its comprehensive selection. You get everything from frying pans to stock pots in one package. If you're serious about cooking and want a complete set, this is definitely worth a look. The reinforced die-cast aluminum structure ensures durability while still being lightweight, making it easy to handle. The 10 times ultra non-stick performance means you can cook safely and healthily without worrying about food sticking. With around 3,000 sets sold in the last month, it's gaining traction for good reason. However, some users mentioned that hand washing is a must to avoid damage. But here's the deal, if you're someone who enjoys taking care of your cookware, this won't be a deal breaker. Just a bit of extra care will keep it in great shape. This set is perfect for you if you want a full range of cookware to tackle any recipe. Skip this if you prefer lighter, more compact options that are easier to store. Now that you've seen all 5 options, let's wrap things up. So to quickly compare, we had the Cook Non-Stick RV Pots and Pan Set, the Cookware Non-Stick Pots and Pan Set, the Cook Titanium Set, the Cookware 19 PS Set, and finally, the Cookware 26 PS set. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Cook Titanium Induction Kitchen Cookware Set because of its healthy non-stick feature and versatility across cooking surfaces.